Hey everyone, one half of R&R Motivation here. Quick review on the Power Rangers Lightning Collection Blue Ranger helmet worn by the awesome David Yost, playing Billy Cranston. Really excited about this. Blue Ranger has always been my favourite Ranger from the original series. So starting off with the box, we've got some awesome artwork. Side and the back of the box. This artwork is awesome. I do miss the Tom Whalen artwork, but this is really nice. Sorry about that. Camera's going a bit weird. So yeah, let's get to the actual helmet. So this is the Triceratops Blue Ranger helmet from Morphin Power Rangers Lightning Collection. You get the same stand as you usually do, and everyone's been worried about the size, but it actually fits me perfectly. The Pink Ranger helmet is far too small to fit me, but it fits my partner, so which works out perfectly if you want to cosplay. But this one fits really nicely. It fits better than the Red Ranger helmet. I think the Red Ranger helmet's a little bit big for my head, to be honest, but this one fits perfectly. So the detail is really nice. Take it off the stand. Got a couple of scratches, unfortunately, but then again, quality control has not been very well for Hasbro recently. You can see the seam lines as well, but from display use where I'm going to be doing it, it's going to be perfect. It looks nice. I'm really happy with it. I love the details that they've put into it and everything. Shape of it is spot on, to be honest. The inside. So yeah, again, you get the normal stand. I'll just quickly show you with it on. Alright, so this is it on. It fits really nicely. You can clip up. Looks awesome. Really good for doing the... So yeah, I'm really happy with this. Really happy with the shape and the sizing. It's perfect. So if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and take care everyone. Bye.